Okay, so 3.1 worksheet. We're going to do a few of the problems. I'm going to give you examples of what I'm expecting from you. And here we have the first section says, think of each segment in the diagram as part of a line. Complete the statement with parallel, skew, or perpendicular. So as I look at number 2, it says WZ and YZ are what? So I look at WZ. I might even draw a line like that and look at YZ. Looks to me like those are parallel, perpendicular, or skew. I'm going to say perpendicular. So that's what I'm going to do right there for that one. Now I'm just going to look at that. There's not any more work for me to do on that kind of a problem. As I continue down, looking at the next section, it says, think of each segment in the diagram as part of a line. Which lines or planes appear to fit the description? So I'm going to read number 6. It says, line or lines that are parallel to line RX. So I look at RX, and it looks to me like the other lines that are possibly parallel. It looks to me like WQ could be parallel. Looks like WQ. It looks like YS appears. It appears that YS is parallel. So on a question that says appears, I'm going to put all the ones that just look like it. I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to check out the answer key for this one to make sure that I'm right as I go through. So that's an example from that section. All right, numbers 11 through 16. Classify the angle pairs as corresponding alternate interior, alternate exterior, or consecutive interior. So angles 4 and 6. I'm going to take a look at 4 and 6, and here's 4 and here's 6. Those look like alternate exterior angles to me. Alternate exterior. All right, then I'm going to do number 14, angles 11 and 16. So 11 and 16, those look like consecutive interior angles to me. So I'm going to say consecutive interior angles to me. And then number 16, number 7 and 13. And if that's number 7 and that's number 13, those look like alternate interior angles to me. Okay, numbers 21 through 24, copy and complete the statement with sometimes, always, or never. Number 22, if two lines are coplanar, then they are sometimes, always, or never skew. And in this one, to me, this is a never. And I say it's a never because they said coplanar. So I'm just making a little extra explanation over there because it's easy for me too. Number 24, if two planes are parallel, then they sometimes, always, or never intersect. That's a never. That's part of the definition of parallel. Now in numbers 25 through 28, where it says copy the diagram and sketch the line, you're going to have to draw this multiple times. In number 26, they want us to sketch the line that goes through A and is perpendicular to segment BC. And so if I'm going to do number 26, I'm going to have to do this out on another sheet of paper if I'm doing this, but I'm going to sketch it like this. There's my perpendicular. And it's pretty bad. It's supposed to go actually through that point. So I'm going to try that again. And that's a little bit better. That's a 90-degree angle. So that would be for number 26, and that would be typical of those kinds of problems.